Hey folks, and welcome to week number 10. Okay, so this week is really aimed at helping you to get working your way through the research process and then writing your introductory paragraph. So, you're going to start by looking over the sample research answers. Once you complete your research answers and submit them to the SA3 research answer folder, if you struggle, you can go to the course home and click on the Ask a Librarian button, or again, go back to last week and set up an appointment with Professor Montaner. Once you feel like you've got a good understanding of your research answers, watch the video on introductory paragraphs and write your introductory paragraph. So you can see all of that right here. There's an example of sample research answers. This is the same, template that we used last week with answers and citations added in. So that's all I'm looking for this time. You can take a look at the sample, submit it here, and then come down and look at introductory paragraphs. There is a sample introductory paragraph as well as a video about sort of the basic concepts. I know you guys probably say, oh, I know what an intro paragraph is. Humor me and watch the video. It'll make your life a little bit easier, and take a look at the sample and submit your introductory paragraph assignment. If you've got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help.